It's manifesting itself, and it has done for the last few hours, as this line of rain that's going to stretch across North Wales into northern England. To the north, there are showers in relatively cold air. To the south, it's been quite mild, but again, there have been a few showers developing. Very cloudy picture at the moment, but the thicker cloud is still out to the west, and this, yes, believe it or not, is what is going to occupy us for the next 2 or 3 days. That's it on a pressure chart. Tomorrow it develops into rather more of a system, and these lows are going to stay with us right up until the weekend. That's going to be causing the waistline, this front little wave north and south across the country. Tonight the rain will keep moving in across North Wales, Northern Ireland into northern England and even southern Scotland. But a gap in the cloud to the north means a touch of frost, certainly in northern Scotland, and maybe a bit of ground frost in the sandy soils of southern England. Otherwise just a cold night. And a bright start once again, maybe a better start for East Anglia, much of central southern England, maybe the South Midlands, but there'll be showers in southwest England, South Wales and Ireland from the start, and again there'll be some developing further east. The cloudy picture, though, will remain throughout most of the day in much of this area, much of Northern Ireland, North Wales, Northern England and southern Scotland, though it should brighten up, I think, in Clwyd and maybe in Yorkshire later on in the day, and that bright or even sunny weather will be around for a good part of central and northern Scotland. In the extreme north of Scotland, showers in the only windy part of the country, at least the next couple of days. The temperatures are a little below average in many places in the north. That means not so good. But further south, 14s and 15s, a little bit above average, well, 14s at least, so another fairly mild day. Now, the next few days means this frontal system stays with us, but draws warm air up from the south, another dome, so we'll see temperatures rise maybe a degree a day. But all the time that front is waving north and south, so it'll bring rain, I think, on Thursday a bit further north to much of Scotland. On Friday it'll come down south again to the Midlands, much of southern England and Wales, and on Saturday it gets blasted north again, and then we have a really complete change in the weather with this strengthening wind, I think fresher weather returning to the south. But in more detail, Thursday shows cold air over Scotland, even enough for a bit of sleet and the showers later on. Still mild in the south, 1 or 2 showers, otherwise a fine day for England and Wales. Then that rain comes south, but 16 degrees is possible along the south coast. To the north of the rain, it has turned chilly, cold weather again, so 1 or 2 wintry showers, even in the middle of April, and then the blast of air taking the rain northwards during Saturday. It's quite as warm as I hoped it would be by the end of the week.